Sam, how's it going?
All good?
Good. So we've got this Shark Beauty. It's the FlexStyle Light Case, yeah? This is the FlexStyle kit. Now,
FlexStyle kit.
Obviously, well, I'm definitely not very blessed in the hair department.
I'm getting that way too as well.
Not like our friend Danish, right? Who can literally swing his hair like, stuff like that.
Do a shampoo ad.
So absolutely. So I'm not sure, if we know what's in there and if we can figure out.
Sure.
So what I thought we'd do is we'd bring this out. This is a whole kit.
Okay.
And I'll take out the attachments. And I'll ask you what it is.
Okay.
I mean, I've got a list over here because there's no way that either one of us would know what it is. So I've got a list of things over here.
Okay.
Let's see if we can figure this out.
That's what we got.
All right. So let's start. This is the
Obviously
main product.
the main unit.
Absolutely.
That makes sense.
So what I like about this one is that it's a hairdryer.
Yes.
And I think if you just tap here, it just goes boom.
That is one main advantage.
That is
over,
amazing.
Competing brands.
I love it.
Doesn't do that.
I love it. I think, if you're storing it, just hold it like that. Very easy to carry. Doesn't take a lot of space.
Yep.
And when you want to use it, I could do this all day, Sam. This is so cool. This is very
No,
nice.
that is very cool.
That is the easy bit to figure.
Yes.
All right, so let's remove that. Next up, we have these. Any idea what this is? There's two of them in case it
There is two.
makes sense to you.
I am going logically off the fact that one has L and the other one has R, that this is going to be for the right side hair and your left side hair.
But what does it do? What do you think it does?
It's a curling. So my wife recently was looking at another product, so I got more idea on it. You basically wrap your hair around it and
Gotcha.
it will curl.
So this is the curler.
Yes.
Excellent stuff. Hey, we figured one of the 5 things that are in there.
I got it right.
Amazing
Okay,
stuff.
perfect.
Good, you got that
Okay.
one.
Then,
All right, the next up, what is this for?
I mean, it looks like just a hair drying attachment.
Okay,
Oh, I know.
okay.
De-frizz from like the top of your head.
No. I believe this is called the concentrator.
The concentrator.
It's a high velocity airflow for precise blow drying.
I mean, it would make sense. It goes from that
Absolutely.
to that.
Absolutely.
So concentrate.
Absolutely. So that's our concentrator. All right, next up is this guy over here.
Okay, this I am completely clueless. Okay, it has an adjustment to it, which, extends or retracts.
The arms, yeah, that's cool.
Funny looking. No clue about.
Okay.
No clue.
So this is called the diffuser.
Okay.
And it's for your curly, coily hair to add volume and enhance or define the natural curl.
Danesh's product.
Yep.
Hands down.
100%.
Perfect.
100% that's for him.
Okay. Interesting.
Excellent stuff. And then we have this thing over here. What do you think this is?
It looks like a comb
Uh,
brush.
Yeah, I guess it's called the oval brush. Hey,
It's oval.
it's oval, absolutely.
I like the logical naming convention.
And says it's perfect for long hair to style bangs and create root to tip volume. Whatever that means. I know what bangs are because my daughter has.
Yeah.
So
And
I
root
know what
to
that is.
tip, so I'm guessing the full length.
Absolutely. And then this is the final product, which is a paddle brush
Paddle brush.
for long, sleek, straight looks to smooth and add volume. My wife has obviously used this.
Yes,
you can tell.
I'd say that
Exactly.
is the well used out of the box.
Why a paddle? Does it look like a paddle racket?
Maybe you can.
Maybe something along those lines. So I think we did pretty good, didn't we?
I think
We
so.
got
I
at
don't
least
think
one
we'll
right.
be offering anyone a demo, unfortunately.
Yeah, definitely not.
I mean, I think wide selection of different hair care.
Absolutely. It seems like a nice kit. I mean, again, we're not necessarily the target audience for it, but it feels like a nice kit.
You know what I like? I held a similar product. Can we put in the actual?
Yep, absolutely.
Because
There you go.
that weighed a whopping 3.7 kgs. Like
Oof.
it's got a beautiful box,
Right.
but it's just too heavy. Like to literally, this is like a nice size. And if you think about it, you want to travel.
Very
you
nice.
could just pick and
Easier
choose
to-
whatever attachments you want.
That
but,
is
like,
true.
The unit itself is light, but
Yeah.
the packaging is easy to use.
Agreed.
Very cool.
I can do this all day. This is awesome.
What do you think? Let us know in the comments if you would like to know more details. We can find someone that will give you a suitable answer. But yeah, let us know.